Mailchimp email marketing. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for Mailchimp.com in the search bar. Once the site loads, log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. After logging in, you will be directed to the Mailchimp homepage. From there, go to the top left corner and click the Create button. A menu will appear on the left sidebar. Search for the landing page option and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your landing page name. Once you've entered the name, choose your audience and then click the Begin button. A variety of templates will appear on the screen. Choose any template you prefer by clicking on it. For example, I choose this one. After selecting the template, you will be taken to the Projects section. Begin customizing the layout by changing and editing the template content to suit your needs. When you have finished editing, click the Save and Close button located at the bottom right corner of the page. Now, you can either copy the link from the URL section or click the Publish button at the top right corner of the page.